Welcome everyone. If you want to sound fluent in English, this video is for you. Many learners speak English, but they use very basic words. Today, you will learn how to replace simple words with more advanced and natural English. Don't say, "I am very angry." Say, "I am furious." Don't say, "I am very surprised." Say, "I am astonished." Don't say, "It is very cold." Say, "It is freezing." Don't say, "I am very tired of this." Say, "I am fed up with this." Don't say, "This is very easy." Say, "This is effortless." Now, listen carefully. Using advanced words does not mean using difficult English. It means choosing the right word for the right feeling. When you use accurate words, people understand you better, and your confidence automatically improves. Don't say, "I am very confused." Say, "I am puzzled." Don't say, "I am very scared." Say, "I am frightened." Don't say, "This is very boring." Say, "This is dull." Don't say, "I like this a lot." Say, "I am fond of this." Remember one thing: fluent English is not about speed. It is about clarity, confidence, and correct word choice. Start replacing simple words in your daily conversations, and you will feel the difference within days. If you want to improve your English step by step with simple explanations, subscribe to this channel and keep learning with me.